So in this video, I'm going to show you how to import user maps into MF Connect using a predefined template of Excel. So the data will be entered in Excel and we will run a Python script which will upload and create your user maps in this area of MF Connect. Basically, when you want to map users within connections in the field mapping, you need to provide also user maps which can be created here. Just like by clicking on add user map, you can define a name for the user map. So let's say this is for Amir Khan. You don't have to, by the way. And now I can add the different users I may have in different data sources. So let's say Khan is my user in ALM Octane. Then I have here Khan A is my user in Jira, and I would like to map those. And therefore, I need to create the user mappings here. Once I'm done, I can click Save. And exactly this is what we are going to define in an Excel file. So the Excel file I have already prepared. So here you can see the Excel file, which contains the data, and these are the users I would like to add. You have the name of the user map as the first column, and we have to keep this format. Then the username in the master. The master is always ALM Octane, or could be also ALM QC. The system master you have to define here. And you can then continue with the username target. So what is the user this should be mapped to, and the name of the target. Yeah. So this can be used. Currently, it's only one system to one system. It could be also used for mapping multiple users from different systems into the file, but this is currently only working from one master system to one target system. So however you have defined this, you can add additional lines and save the file and go into your environment and run the script. So what we will do is we have here a script called import users, and we will look into this script. Let's open it. So this is basically the script we have defined. You can see what we need. We need to import all these libraries in the beginning, and then we can start to enter credentials. So this will run through a command line, which I will show in a second. And what it does is it creates the user map as a JSON from the Excel file. Then it logs into MF Connect and uploads the user map, and that's it. Yeah. So we will exit here and go into our command line, and here I've already defined a command line which we should use. So basically what we are doing here is we have to go to the folder directory where we have stored our script, which is import user map.py, and we do a space, and then we enter the first parameter, which is the URL, then the credentials, so administrator as the username, administrator as the password, and the authenticator we need here. The authenticator, let me show it to you. It is here. So this is our authenticator, Micro Focus Connect, in case I need another one. So you have to copy exactly the same string what you are using here. And then as a last parameter, the third parameter, we need to point to the Excel file, which contains the users. So it is this file which I've created. And let's go now and see. First of all, let's log in again into MF Connect. Administrator. I think this was wrong. So let's copy. And under user map, I have currently only one user. And if I will upload now the sheet should contain all the mappings. It is not additive. So whenever you upload information to from this Excel sheet to MF Connect, it will overwrite everything which is in MF Connect user maps. So just one consideration before you upload, and now we can do the upload using this command line. So let's run it. You can see login was successful, login 200, and now it is importing the data, and it should now say, okay, importing in progress and importing finished. So let's reload here, and we can see the data is in MF Connect, exactly in the same manner as we have defined in the Excel file. So that was it. You can find the script here on GitHub. I will also link the movie to this. Here it is already linked, so you can also view the YouTube video how to import users and a short instruction of using the script.